Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix check-in feature not working issue on iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, Apple has newly announced the iOS 17 with some new features, and another feature is check-in. But many iPhone users are complaining that their check-in feature is not working properly. So if you are also facing this issue, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you can try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches that may be preventing the check-in feature from working properly. For doing this, simply you have to tap on your settings and scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to make sure that you are on a strong and stable internet connection. The check-in feature requires a good internet connection to work properly, so you have to make sure that you are on a good internet connection. Then you have to make sure that the person you are trying to check in is also in a strong and a stable internet connection. Then you have to make sure that you have enabled location services for the messages app. To do this, simply you have to go back and then go to privacy and security, then go to location services, and if it's disabled then simply enable it. After enabling location services, then you have to make sure that you have enabled the check-in feature. To do this, you can go to settings and go to messages, and going to messages you will see an option check-in. You have to simply turn it on. After turning it on and still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to try sending a check-in to a different contact. If the check-in work with a different contact, then the problem may be with the contact you are trying to check in with. After applying this all solution is still facing the same issue, then then you have to update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Apple often release updates that fix bugs and improve performance. So go to your general, then go to software update and make sure if there is any update available for your iPhone, then simply update it to the latest version of iOS 17. After trying this all solution and still facing the same issue, then you can try reset your iPhone settings. This will reset your iPhone settings to the default. For going this, simply have to go to your transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.